Story 14, Baby Bird. "Look!" cried Julie. "It's a baby bird!" The other children looked. There, on the ground in front of them, was a tiny bird. "It must have fallen out of its nest," said Richard, pointing up at a tree nearby. "What should we do?" asked Flora. "If we just leave it there, a cat might eat it." "Let's ask Dad what to do," said Richard. Julie ran to get Dad, while the other children watched over the baby bird. Dad brought his ladder to the tree. He held the ladder while Julie climbed up and put the baby bird back in the nest. Julie was the one who found the bird, so she should be the one to put it back, said Dad. The children and their father were all happy that the baby bird was safely back home.